What's up you guys, Nicola here. If you're young and want to get into programming but don't know where to start, in this video I'll try to help you and give you the best resources possible for getting into programming. So be sure to subscribe and leave a like if you find this video helpful. Without further ado, let's get into it. Programming is becoming more popular every day and a big paycheck is just one of the reasons. The main reason I got into programming was because I found it fun. You can build a whole new world from nothing. And that's the main point I'll talk about today. Building stuff from nothing. As programming gets more popular, there's more and more people telling you that you need to have a degree. I completely disagree about a degree. And I understand where they're coming from. A degree in computer science would probably give you a better understanding of math, and if you're planning to do machine learning or stuff like that, it would be really helpful. But if you are really young, like I was when I was starting out, sadly, this is not an option for you. My first advice for getting into programming is to watch as many YouTube videos about it as you can. And you could just go and pick a random programming language and start learning it, but my advice is to try to understand at least a little about where it's actually used the most. For example, if you want to make artificial intelligence, you would probably want to learn Python, but if you want to make a website, you should probably start with HTML and CSS and so on. But just try to find out what you actually want to do and then start off based on that. My second advice is to join a programming club. I bet that in your area there are programming clubs for kids or teenagers, and programming community is really welcoming. Even if you don't know anything yet, they want to share knowledge with you. And if there aren't any clubs nearby, start your own. I'm not even kidding, gather a few friends that are into it and go to a local library or somewhere and just start learning together. You'll get much more ideas for projects if you are together. And if none of your friends are into it, just ask around on Instagram or Facebook if you see that someone is interested. But be careful, it's always better to ask people that you kinda know but aren't your friends yet. You know what I'm talking about. Never talk to strangers. No. My advice number 3 is to go to a hackathon. For this, you need to have a basic understanding of programming, but still you don't need it on any professional level. Hackathons are competitions where you are given a problem to solve and then you come up with a solution and make an app for it. Then you have 24 to 48 hours to finish it and you present your project at the end. When I went to my first hackathon, I knew almost nothing. Some basic HTML and CSS and that's it. But for me, it was an awesome learning experience. And since it lasts only for a day or two, you are learning how to make a whole project super fast. Trust me, that experience will stay with you forever. You'll thank me later. At the end, I have one bonus advice for you. Since I'm mostly in the web development area of programming, I found the freecodecamp.org one of the best websites for learning. You can learn at your own pace, and at the end of every learning topic, you can choose to finish some projects, and if you do, you get a certificate, which is awesome because everything is free. They recently added more courses like information security and machine learning, so it's not just web development now. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, subscribe and leave a like, and see you in the next video.